Listen to one more idea. These two ideas may come, may not come, but immediately if this is there, it should come in your mind. Now in this idea, you may find a pole in the center, already fixed. समझ गए? ये white color की pole है. Clear? Pole already है. Now you will find many times bomb on the top of the pole also. Why it is kept like this? There is a reason, because if you put a lasso, like वो ना घोड़े पकड़ता नहीं, then it will fall down. नहीं कर सकता ना? So you will find sometimes a bomb on top of it also. So if this is the kind of structure here, the second idea should come in your mind. So what is the setup? देखो, circle होगा. You got structures here and you have a rope. Rope can be slightly longer also. Now, if this is a setup, what you should do? You put a rope one end here and second end अंदर तो कोई नहीं घुस नहीं सकता ना. So you have to use this pole for coming inside or not?
Yes, sir.
So what do you do now? Now you have the rope with you. Come around the structure. पूरा माइनफील्ड को रोटेट करो. Come on. सिंस बाहर से आ जाओ. Come on. चलो, सिंस इट इज लंबा नहीं है तो थोड़ा अंदर से आ जाओ. रोटेट इट. रोटेट करो. मेरे को बांधना नहीं है, ठीक है? So now what have we done? By rotating the minefield without entering the minefield, you have put the rope here.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But there is a problem. Anything you keep here, the rope will go down.
Yes, sir.
So to avoid that, you will rotate once again. Mind you, she is not able to come inside. Okay, rope lamba hoga.
Yes, sir.
Just showing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now you tie the rope here. इसमें बांधो. ऐसे बांधो. बस. Okay, now tell me, who will tell me the idea now finally how to come inside? Anybody here?
Taking support.
Can you walk over this?
Also we have balli will ride.
Well, इसके ऊपर रखेगा.
Also from there like bridge.
You tell me, you have a plank and a balli, which one will you use?
Plank.
तो balli तो इधर है ना यार. छोटा balli से थोड़ी चल सकता है आदमी. Bring the plank. So look at the idea what we use. Put the plank from here. Connect it. See this. Now you can walk from here, come here less than 4 feet, take the bomb, go from here. Got the idea clear?
Yes, sir.
So remember, if there is a pole in the center and rope, this idea should immediately come to you. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So let me tell you, I have been in many SSBs. I hardly seen anybody doing this idea. I would have seen more than 15,000 plus candidates. I never seen anybody doing this idea. You will do because you are an OG. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
ये एक अहल्या है. ये सदियों से शाव मोक्ष के लिए एसएसबी ग्राउंड में बैठी है. तुम लोग जाएंगे, मोक्ष करो इसको, शाव मोक्ष. तुम भेजो इस आइडिया को. तुम लोग जाएंगे सीता जी बन के, ये लोग जाएंगे राम जी बन के. उसको लिफ्ट अप. ओके?
Yes, sir.
याद आएगा?
Yes, sir.
प्लीज मेक स्मॉल डायग्राम.